So once again, hello students. So this is the ascent of sap, chapter 3rd. In the last two chapters we discussed about this introduction, definition, then pathway of ascent of sap. Then we have discussed about the some evidence and the types of ascent of sap, and that was the first. We discussed about the transpiration pull theory or the cohesion pull theory, which was discovered by Dixon and the Joly scientist one. So today we will discuss about the factors affecting the ascent of saps. Okay, it is the movement of water from root to the tip of the plant against the gravitational force. So there must be having many factors affecting to this movement during this movement of water. So we will discuss one by one. So the factors affecting the ascent of sap. The first we will discuss about the external factors. So in this first is the temperature. So in this the rate of ascent of sap is more at 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Higher or lower range or temperature then has adverse effect on the rate of ascent of sap. Okay. So second is the wind one. Then moderate wind velocity shows higher rate of transpiration. This exerts more transpiration pull on the xylem sap and ultimately increases the rate of ascent of sap. Okay. So the third one, that is light. So the rate of ascent of sap has been recorded high at the high intensity of light, especially during the daytime. We can say as the higher temperature increases, the rate of transpiration due to opening of stomata. Okay. Next is the soil water. So it is a major factor again. If soil contains more water, the higher rate of ascent of sap is observed. On the other side, low concentration of water in soil result in low rate of ascent of sap. So these are the some external factors. Now we will discuss about the internal factors. The first we will take as the root pressure. So in small herbaceous plant, if we take a small herbaceous plant, the water moves up due to root pressure. So root pressure plays important role in the ascent of sap in small herbaceous plant. So second is the transpiration. If the rate of transpiration is more, the rate of ascent of sap increases due to development of transpiration pull. Okay. Now the third one is that is the osmotic pressure. This causes movement of water. More the osmotic pressure, higher the rate of ascent of sap. Okay. The last one, that is the anatomy of xylem. So water is transported at a higher rate through vessels. So then through tracheids also. So therefore the rate of ascent of sap is higher in we say angiosperms, which contains vessels, than that of the gymnosperms, in which the vessels are lacking one. Okay. So this is the some factors, important factors we have discussed of ascent of sap. Okay. Thank you very much.